to Definitely Not Definitive. I'm Ken.
And I'm Bethany.
And we're just a terrific team in love that loves watching some Team Fortress 2.
We are totally a terrific team.
Yeah. Aww.
We're so gross.
But you know, it's Double Trouble Thursday, and so we got 2 reactions coming out. This is the second one. We did Counter-Strike Global Offensive earlier today, so go ahead and check that one out if you missed it. And we're getting to some Team Fortress 2. So we've done Meet the Team, we've done Expiration Date. This is Man vs. Machine and Sound of Medicine. So it's like, this is its own Double Trouble Thursday as well, because we got two in there. So far, Team Fortress 2 has not disappointed. It's made us laugh. And you know, sometimes we watch some dark stuff on this channel, so we need to laugh every now and then.
We do, yes.
I like the music, Western music. Spy.
That's what I was wondering.
Terrible matches. Yeah. Oh, this sniper. Oh, damn! There goes the sniper!
Oh my god.
Oh!
This has to be a dream, right?
It blew Heavy up!
This has to be a dream.
Is that a Ghostbuster? Trap?
Oh, this is a Ghostbuster trap.
What are you gonna call?
His
Floating head with
tongue
its
out.
tongue!
Oh, man! Everyone, behind me! Incoming!
Oh, wow.
Yeah, Doctor's a little badass. pointed the wrong way, this soldier?
Another successful procedure. Freedom!
That was good.
Yeah. I like the second one better than I like the first one. I mean, the first one wasn't bad. It was cool, little like kind of like getting the gang together. We gotta take on you know, these bad guys, these villains. But the second one had more humor to it, and it seemed like more kind of in line with the Team Fortress 2 that we've come to know and love so far.
I love the music in the first one.
Yeah.
From the Western to like an almost 80s Ghostbustery kind of sound. The second Ghostbustery sound did carry throughout the second trailer. What I loved about the second trailer was just how unexpected it was.
Yeah.
I mean, just boom, right off the bat, Sniper's dead. Like,
Arrow
whoa!
through, yeah, that was great.
Yeah. You know, and then just like the whole team is almost destroyed. So I thought that was really good.
Yeah, it was a fun video to check out. We're gonna check out some more Team Fortress 2. We really like this franchise, and it's really fun, and the characters are great. No spy in this one, so disappointed. But we
Yeah,
got.
where'd he go?
I don't know.
Vacation episode?
Yeah, I guess he got a vacation episode. You know, he was on break with these two. But thanks so much for checking out our reaction to Team Fortress 2, Man vs. Machine, and The Sound of Medicine. Just keep in mind that our reactions
Is definitely not definitive.